Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm showing you 3 side salad recipes that are really simple to make. You can bring these to a potluck or a barbecue, or you can just serve them on the side of one of your dinners. So these are really easy to make, so let's get started. You can find all of these recipes in the description box down below. You're going to need 1 pound of bacon, diced, and we're going to add this to our frying pan and fry it until it's really crispy. When your bacon is finished cooking, we're going to take a plate with a paper towel on top, and we're going to scoop the bacon onto the paper towel. This will help drain that grease off of the bacon. Set the bacon aside. Next, we're going to take a large bowl and we're going to make our sauce. So you will need 1 cup of mayo, then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, add 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar, and then you're going to add 3/4 cup of mild cheddar cheese. Give this a really good stir. Next, you're going to add salt and pepper to taste. Next, you're going to add 2 cups of chopped broccoli, Next, you're going to add 2 cups of chopped cauliflower. Next, you're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped purple onion. Next, you're going to add 1 cup of sliced tomatoes. Mix this all together really well so you make sure that you get sauce on all of those vegetables. Add the bacon right before you're serving this dish. That way the bacon is nice and crispy and all the vegetables have a little crisp to them and they're covered in that creamy, delicious sauce. This is one of my very favorite side dishes. Next, we're going to make chicken wonton salad. So first, you'll need 2 iceberg lettuce heads, washed and cut. And then you're going to add this to a large bowl. Next, you will need 2 to 3 bunches of green onions chopped, and you're going to add this to the lettuce. Then you need 1 bag of slivered almonds. Set your lettuce mixture aside, and now we're going to start cooking our chicken. So you'll need 1 to 2 pounds of chicken, whatever you prefer, if you like more meat or less meat. And we're going to trim it up, and then we're going to place it in a saucepan with olive oil. Season the chicken with salt and pepper, and then we're going to start cooking our wontons. Make sure that your oil is nice and hot, and then we're going to take about 10 to 20 wontons depending on your preference, a plate with a paper towel to place them on after they are cooked, and then just go ahead and make sure that your oil is hot enough that when you place your wonton in, it instantly starts to fry and get bubbly. And we want to cook these on each side until they're golden brown. Now we're going to go back to the chicken, flip it to the other side, and make sure that you season it with salt and pepper on the other side as well. Place your chicken on a cutting board, and this needs to sit so that it retains its juices. Then you're going to chop it up and set it aside. Add your chicken to the lettuce mixture and then stir really well. Next, we're going to make the dressing. So take a small bowl and you're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of white distilled vinegar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. And then you're going to mix this together really, really well. Make sure that the sugar is dissolved. Don't add the dressing or the wontons until right before you're serving it. That way you won't have soggy wontons or soggy lettuce. It'll be all nice and fresh. So add the wontons and the dressing right before serving. This also is one of my very, very favorites. So light and fresh. Next, we're going to make the Italian pasta and veggie salad. You'll need 2 14-ounce cans of diced petite tomatoes. Next, you're going to add 1 20-ounce bottle of Italian salad dressing. My favorite brand is the Wishbone brand. Next, you're going to add Salad Supreme seasoning. This is just to taste. Then you're going to mix this together really well, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. You could even put it in the refrigerator overnight to get those tomatoes really nice and marinated. Next, you will need 1 cucumber. I really like the big English cucumbers. You're going to cut them just like this. Next, you're going to add 1 broccoli head chopped. This salad is really versatile. You can add your favorite veggies. These are what me and my family like. We really like cucumbers, broccoli, olives, tomatoes. So you can add the vegetables that your family likes. Next, you're going to add 2 cans of drained olives. Then you're going to add some more of your Salad Supreme seasoning and then give it a really good stir. Next, you're going to add 16 ounces of your favorite pasta. We really like the spiral pasta, but you can add shells, you can add bow tie, any kind of pasta that you love. And then give this a really good mix. This is super, super yummy if you let it sit in the fridge for an hour or 2 before serving. That way it can all marinate in the juices together. But this is also another one of our favorites. So yummy and so easy and delicious. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today, and I'll see you in the next video. I post a cooking video every single Wednesday. Thanks, bye.